Hey, Snow Flash here. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today we're going to be doing Nature's Bakery Oatmeal Crumble Strawberry. Real fruit and whole grains. 14 gram whole grains, 3 fiber. Right there. That's what we're doing. Smells pretty good. There's that, how it looks. Not bad. How much sugars does it have? I don't know. Ingredients. Well, 12 grams of sugar. Has a nice good sour taste to it too. Not too strong. Mixed good with the sweetness. Yeah, I'll give this one a 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Definitely will get it again. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.